Hey everyone, Nick Griot, Griot's Garage, and this is Interior Cleaner. You can probably guess what it's used for. We're going to use it on this Golf R to clean up a few spots that the owner's dog left after finishing a pretty extensive interior detail. So we've got a few dirty spots on the seat, the B pillar, and the center console where it's clear a muddy dog has just jumped right into this car. The seats, they've got a little bit more of the brunt of the mud, so they're more heavily soiled. We're going to spray the interior cleaner directly onto those seats. For the center console and the B pillar, they're just lightly dirty, so we're going to spray the interior cleaner onto a towel and clean it up that way. So before using interior cleaner, it's always important to do a test spot. I just sprayed a little bit down onto the lower bolster, which is an inconspicuous area, found that it didn't alter the appearance at all. So I'm going to spray it directly onto this seat surface, agitate with the horsehair brush, and then wipe up the excess. And go directly after it, just up and down, back and forth, just to agitate. And this should come up pretty easily, as it's just mud, not a tougher oil or grease stain. That should have gotten everything. And sure enough, that dirt is gone. So that spot came up really easily. Now we're just going to do the other little trouble areas and get this seat all clean. All right, so we removed all the dirt from the interior surfaces on both the center console, B pillar, and all the leather seating surfaces. The great thing about interior cleaner is that it's scent-free and dye-free and also leaves no residue behind. So all those surfaces that we just cleaned up are ready for your favorite dressing application, or for the leather surfaces, any leather conditioning or protectant step you want to take. Hopefully, somebody teaches that dog some manners so we don't have to clean up after him all the time. For more information on interior cleaner, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.